up, y'all? It's Quijuandas and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting, strong emphasis on attempting, to do a silk press on my natural hair. If all goes well, this will be my second time having a silk press, but it's going to be my first time doing it on myself. So go ahead and send a knee shout out for your girl now, because Jesus needs to be all up and through this situation. I have not straightened my hair in over a year, but my birthday's coming up, March 26th, for those of you who care, and I just want to stunt on them, to be honest. Just a smidge bit, not too much, but I'm definitely gonna let them have it. So I'm going to be using my hot comb to press my hair, and between you and me, I've had this thing for over 5 years and I have not used it because every time I go in to use it, I swear I have flashbacks. But I'm gonna use it today, and I'm gonna let you know now. If I go in with it and I don't like the results or I burn myself, my flat iron will be making an appearance in this video. So I'm gonna get right into the video. I'm about to go in here and prep my hair for heat styling. But while I'm doing that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and tap the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, I'm back. I completed my full wash day routine as well as blew out my hair. I already have videos for both of those that I'll link down in the description box for those of you who are interested. To protect my hair from the heat, I use the Apogee Kerosene and Green Tea Restructurizer along with the Tresemme Heat Tamer. Now let's get into the silk press. Tell that using the hot comb alone is going to require too many passes, so I'm going to go ahead and incorporate my flat iron also, and I'll use the two interchangeably throughout the video.